Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the Messages app and creating a new thread. This is the only way we'll proceed. Tap Compose or the plus icon, then type a name, phone number, or email and confirm the right contact. Once done, craft a concise first message, one question or one clear action, because short opening messages get faster replies. Make sure to choose iMessage versus SMS intentionally. It affects delivery and features, so you connect with the intended protocol. Next, add context by attaching media or using inline replies, and this is where conversation quality improves. Tap the camera or attachment icon to add photos, video, or location. You can also record audio messages for clarity. Once sent, use inline replies and reactions to keep things organized, and watch typing indicators to time your responses. Make sure to check whether the bubble is blue or green, because iMessage supports richer features, and SMS may cost or truncate media. Finally, organize threads and resolve common problems so your workflow stays smooth. Pin important conversations and mute or archive noisy threads. You search to jump to specific messages by keyword. If messages don't deliver, check notifications, SMS forwarding, and blocked contacts in settings, because permissions often block delivery. If needed, toggle airplane mode briefly, restart the Messages app, then resend. And if iMessage still fails, send as SMS instead. This single-step fallback prevents missed communication.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.